What if I told you this gadget could make your daily life easier? Today, we're checking out one of the coolest tech gadgets you can buy right now. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. Looking for a charger that's as smart as it is powerful? Meet the Ugreen Uno 65-watt GaN fast charger. With its fun, robot-inspired design and expressive LED screen, it brings personality to your workspace while delivering serious performance. This compact charger packs up to 65 watts of fast charging, powering everything from your smartphone to your laptop with ease. Featuring 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it can charge up to 3 devices at the same time without slowing down. Thanks to advanced GaN technology, it runs cooler, wastes less energy, and stays incredibly compact, making it perfect for home, office, or travel. Its magnetic feet let you attach it to metal surfaces, so it's always within reach, while built-in protection against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits keeps your devices safe. If you want one stylish charger that does it all, the Ugreen Uno 65 watts is definitely worth checking out. Think your keyboard is clean? Think again. This all-in-one keyboard cleaning kit is designed to remove the dust, fingerprints, and hidden debris that ordinary cloths simply can't reach. Instead of buying separate tools for your keyboard, laptop, phone, camera, and earbuds, this single kit handles them all with ease. From lifting keycaps on mechanical keyboards to cleaning tight spaces between laptop keys and polishing delicate screens without leaving streaks, every tool has a purpose. The reusable cleaning spray and microfiber cloths restore displays to a like-new shine, while the precision brushes and cleaning pen safely clean camera lenses and other sensitive surfaces. Even your earbuds and charging case get a deep clean thanks to the specialized flocking sponge. Its compact design makes it easy to keep in your backpack, office, or car, so your devices stay spotless wherever you go. If you're serious about protecting your expensive electronics and keeping them looking brand new, this cleaning kit is a simple upgrade that's definitely worth adding to your setup. If you're tired of clutter and constantly searching for your belongings, the Nelco P21 Bluetooth label maker is the smart solution you've been looking for. Unlike bulky traditional label makers, this compact wireless printer fits right in your pocket, making it easy to create professional-looking labels wherever you are. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, labeling storage bins, sorting office files, or preparing school supplies, this device helps keep everything neat and easy to find. Simply connect it to your smartphone through Bluetooth. Choose from thousands of templates, icons, and fonts, and print crisp, ink-free labels in seconds. The rechargeable battery means you can use it all day without worrying about replacing batteries or buying expensive ink cartridges. It's perfect for busy parents, students, teachers, small business owners, and anyone who loves staying organized. If you want a faster, cleaner, and more convenient way to organize your home, office, or workspace, the Nelco P21 label maker is a simple gadget that makes a big difference. Imagine bringing your ideas to life instead of just drawing them on paper. The Scrib 3 DP13D printing pen lets you create real three-dimensional designs, making it perfect for artists, students, hobbyists, and anyone who loves getting creative. Unlike a regular pen, this one allows you to build models, customize decorations, repair small plastic items, or create unique handmade gifts with ease. Its adjustable speed and temperature controls give you the precision needed for detailed artwork, while remaining simple enough for beginners to enjoy. The included PLA filament, stencil guide, and easy setup mean you can start creating within minutes, right out of the box. Built-in safety features, including an auto-sleep function and anti-clogging design, help ensure a smooth and worry-free experience every time you use it. Whether you're exploring a new hobby or looking for a fun gift that inspires creativity, the Scrib 3DP1 turns imagination into something you can actually hold in your hands. Ever waste precious time searching for your keys, wallet, or TV remote right when you're about to leave? The Reiki Key Finder is a simple gadget that helps you find your important items in seconds without relying on apps or Bluetooth connections. Just press the matching button on the remote, and the attached receiver responds with a loud beep and flashing LED light, making it easy to locate even if it's hidden under cushions or in another room. With a working range of up to 131 feet, it can track items throughout your home with ease. You can attach the receivers to keys, wallets, luggage, remotes, or even your pet's collar for extra peace of mind. Unlike smartphone trackers that depend on apps and battery-draining connections, the Reiki Key Finder is quick, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. It's a practical gadget that saves time, reduces stress, and makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who's always misplacing their everyday essentials. If you enjoyed this gadget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing tech finds every week. You'll find the product link in the description, and I'll see you in